Hello friends, welcome to Nand Kishore classes. Today's lecture is going to be very interesting. We need to find the value of x, and this is the situation given. X to the power 1 over 2 plus x to the power 1 over 4 is equal to 12. We are to solve it step by step using proper approach. Usually students get confused how to proceed in this type of question. But we are going to do a very simple step using which this question will become very easy. Let's have a look how we should proceed. What we are going to do here, we are going to use this x to the power 1 over 4, this value. I am going to substitute it as y. X to the power 1 over 4, I am going to consider as y. I'll show you how it is going to be helpful. And what we are going to do now, squaring both sides. I'm going to do squaring both sides, and you will get x to the power 1 over 4, then square of it. In the right side also, square of it. What will happen? This 2 and 4 will be cancelled, and you will get x to the power 1 over 2. This is equal to y square. Analyze it very carefully now. Now what is going to happen? Just check this equation. I'm going to rewrite it. X to the power 1 over 2 has become y square. So I'm writing y square. Then plus sign is there. X to the power 1 over 4, we had considered it as y. And right side is 12. Now this has become a quadratic equation, right? Equation which seems to be difficult, by just supposing x power 1 over 4 as y, this question becomes very easy. Because this is usually we can solve by factorization, by middle term splitting method. I'm going to use it now. Let me rewrite it. I'm going to clean the steps, so please, if you want, you can take the screenshots. Yes. Now let me rewrite the equation. Yes. So instead of this, we have got y square plus y is equal to 12, right? I am bringing this 12 to the left side. You will face minus 12 and it is equal to 0. Now, how to split the middle term? Middle term splitting means plus y, which is there in the middle, I'm going to split it into two parts to do the factorization. For that, I'm doing some rough work. I'm writing P and S. What is the meaning of P and S? This is the rough work. No student needs to show it to the teacher. This is your rough work. P means product and S means sum. Now for P, what you need to write, first and last coefficients should be multiplied. If there is nothing, that means actually it is 1. So I'm going to consider it 1. Please remember. So this 1 I am going to multiply with the last value minus 12. Value of P is minus 12. I'm repeating. To write the value of P, what we need to do, first coefficient and last constant value, we need to multiply. And for S, we just need to write the coefficient of middle term, which is 1. So product is minus 12 and sum is coming as 1. Now we need to find out two numbers, two integers. If you multiply them, you will get minus 12. If you add them, you will get 1. How to do it? See, combination is minus 3 multiply 4. If you see, minus 3 multiply 4 is minus 12. And minus 3 plus 4, this is equal to 1, right? That is how we can do the splitting. Please check carefully what I am going to do. Instead of plus y, I am going to write minus 3y, then plus 4y, minus 12 equal to 0. Minus 3 plus 4 is 1 only. So it is this combination I2. That is why this exercise we had done. We got this combination minus 3 plus 4 and we used it. And now this is of no use. I'm cleaning it because it was a rough work as I told you earlier. Now from the first two terms, take out y common. We will get y minus 3. You can check the multiplication. Y multiply y is y square. Y multiply minus 3 is minus 3y. And take 4 common from last two terms. Then there is a mistake here. Let me correct it. This should be y minus 3. 4 multiply y is 4y. 4 multiply minus 3 is minus 12. Now y minus 3 is coming in first term, y minus 3 is coming in second term also. So taking y minus 3 common out of it, we are left with one y here plus 4 here. So ultimately this is what I am getting. Now product of two brackets is equal to 0. Multiplication can be 0 only if at least one number is 0. That means this y minus 3 is 0 or y plus 4 is 0. At least one of them should be 0. Both can also be. So here I am getting value of y as 3 and from here I am getting value of y as minus 4. You can take the screenshot again. We are getting two values of y, 3 and minus 4. Now if you remember, initially we started from, I'm going to clean the board first. Initially we started doing the question by supposing this is what we did. Suppose x power 1 over 4 as y, right? This is what we started. Value of y we have found. That means x power 1 over 4 is equal to 3 or x power 1 over 4 is equal to minus 4, right? Minus 4 is also there. I am going to reject this value. Why I am going to reject this value? Because fourth root of x, it can never be negative. It can never be negative. That is why I am rejecting this value. I am keeping this value only. And how to proceed? Like the way we do squaring both sides, cubing both sides, I am going to take exponent 4 on both sides. It will help me in doing the further calculation. Please check it carefully. What will happen? This 4 and 4 will be cancelled. And you will get x power 1 is equal to 3 power 4. X to the power 1 is x only. 3 to the power 4 means 3 is multiplied 4 times. 3 multiply 3, 9. 9 multiply 3, 27. 27 multiply 3 is 81. That means for this question, value of x is 81. I hope you are clear with this question. This is very interesting, very important, and usually in the starting students get confused. I hope you are clear with the concept. Thank you so much for watching today's video.